Today is 22 October and I am at Kuala Lumpur. My flight is today off here to Delhi. I am going to show you the whole process of putting this luggage, check-in process, visa process and that all. Let me show you. Come on with us. Right now I am at Malaysia, as you know. In Malaysia airports, we can, or at Kuala Lumpur airports, you can also get these type of a big screen where you can see where's the shopping, dining and the service. In the service, they can show that where are we. Right now I am at here. The flight is of New Delhi and here's the screen of New Delhi economy class, premium economy class, and we are going over there.
How many of you?
I gave 8 people.
Can I see your booking number?
They will be inside the paper.
Booking number?
Booking number?
Oh, this is your booking number.
Yeah.
Make sure inside your bag there is no battery, power bank, laptop or any computer item inside.
No, there's nothing. Yeah. I have a request for you.
Yes.
Can you please give us 3 window seats? If it is possible.
3 windows.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. Yes.
Thank you. The weight is, you can see the weight over here. And let us put the another bag. Over here, you can see the weight, but it's not. It's 11.2 weight of this bag. I got 2 tickets. One is Kuala Lumpur to Delhi, and second is Delhi to Ahmedabad. Let's go to the next level. The next thing is we need to scan a boarding pass and then go to Zone C. Let us go and do it. Over here, they all check all of the cabin bag. Is there anything dangerous inside? So they will check over here. The electronics things like iPad, laptop, AirPods, and that all will be removed. This is the immigration process, and over here, when we will show our passport and our boarding ticket, they will give us a stamp in the passport, like the one you can see is something like this. Okay, let's go and get in the queue. Because we are going to C5 zone, so we need to go to the train. The zones will be C1 to C37. So 5 comes between C1 to 37. So we need to go there. Thank you. The metro train came. So let's go inside. The C5 is over there written. The direction of C5 is given over here. So let's go. Over here in this part, when we are ready to go to plane, they all tear this small part and then we go to the main. Let's enjoy the flight. Hi, good morning.